Drum roll, please. Okay, that was a horrible drum roll, but you guys get the point. So the last time I did a wig review, which was on the wig I'm currently wearing, I did not do the unboxing. So I want to make sure that this time I made sure that I did the unboxing. So this wig that I'm going to be showing you all is by Sensational. It's a part of their Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig collection. And if you see my first YouTube video, or if you didn't, you should definitely go see it. But it's another Sensational braided wig. So this time I am trying their Senegal twist wig, and it's in the color 1B. And it says that the lace parting area is a 4x4, and also comes with baby hair like the last one did. And also it says ultra soft Swiss lace, high quality fiber, meaning it's not human hair, but it's high quality fiber, lightweight braiding hair, and also hot water set possible, meaning if for the ends, if you want to seal the ends, you're able to go ahead and put in some hot water to make sure you have your ends sealed. So those are the details of this wig. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to unbox it. So it should come in this. I have actually got this off of Amazon, which I'll make sure to put the link down below. And I did the 2-day shipping because I have Amazon Prime, which was free shipping as well. So, and the price range for this wig was $70 flat, and that's after tax and everything else. So this is how the wig looks when you're taking it out. Okay, first thing I noticed about this wig is that it's very long. When I put it on in a second, you guys will see how long it is, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna come down to my back. And I am 5'7", so meaning this is very long. They did a really good job with packaging it. I like how they put this on here to ensure that it's not, the baby hairs will not be messed up at all. And they give you a lot of baby hair to work with, which is what I like, because you know, some people like their baby hairs to be very, very long. Some people on the other hand like theirs to be very, very short, but you have enough to just to figure out how exactly it is that you would like to customize your baby hair. So it comes with one comb in the back, elastic adjustable bands on both sides, and 2 combs in the front, which is amazing. This is the back of the hair, which you guys will see in a second when I try it on. As you can see, it's very full. Like, I'm putting my fingers through this and it's so full, but I guess I'll see more once I try it on. But from what I can see, this is a very full wig. And if you know me, you should know already, at least by now, that I like my wigs to be very full. But this is a lot of hair, but it's also very light as well. The twists are very, very, very nice and detailed. And then the ends of the hair are sealed to perfection. Hey guys, so this is the final look. Y'all, I'm telling you, this is not popping. Like, come on now. Okay, do not judge my baby hair because I just put black gel on and it's still drying. So that come for my baby hair right now. But aside from that, y'all, look at this hair. Look how thick it is. And this is just one side. This hair is so thick. I love thick hair, so this wig is perfect for someone like me. I really, really like the outcome of this wig. It was so easy to put on, so easy to cut off the lace and just do the baby hair. It probably took me only like about 10 minutes. So yeah, this is very beginner friendly, I have to say. If you have a big head, like me, this wig will fit on your head. I will have to give it for Sensational because they're just coming through with these bangers like back. But anyways, this is a great wig for the winter time. If you want to look cute, you gotta make sure you get this wig. For the pros and cons of this wig, I really don't have that many because I just got the wig, but I do have a few. So starting off with the pros, it would definitely have to be the density of this wig is amazing. That's the first thing I noticed, is just how thick this wig is. And if you're a person like me that likes a lot of density, a lot of hair, perfect for you for that reason. Another pro is the craftsmanship of this wig was just, it's just beautiful, like how it was made, and even down to the very ends, even the ends are twisted very well, like sealed. Even if you decide not to dip into hot water, it's gonna stay sealed. The third pro is that it's lightweight. It's not too heavy. It looks heavy and because it's a lot of hair, but it's so lightweight. I love it. The fourth pro is that I did it within 10 minutes. That should really be at the top of the list, but convenient. And also it was $70, so what more can you ask for in a wig like this as far as being twisted or as far as being braided? So now moving on to the cons, I really don't have that many, but one I noticed right off bat is that the top of this wig is very poofy. Yeah, but I will say that maybe possibly with wearing the wig a little bit more, also what I've been doing is stretching the wig and elongating the twist, so that may also help with the poofiness. And also this wig is hot water friendly, meaning if you really want to, you can boil this part and it should lay flat. So that is one con that I noticed. Another con I noticed is just the parting. The parting literally goes from right here, which is the last part you can part over to your hair, to probably the other side, which is like right here. And then you have the parting in the middle that you can do, but as far as parting, that's really about it. You can't really go too much as far as parting with this wig, which is a 4x4. But I mean, once again, it's only $70. And for me, I don't really need a lot of parting. I don't really do too much in my hair. You know, I'm pretty simple, but I guess that could be a con for some people. So this is the end of this review. Of course, like always, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and a new one, make sure y'all share with your friends, families, or anybody that would love to watch any of my YouTube videos. For my subscribers, thank you so much for staying tuned and supporting me on this journey of life. And like always, I will see you guys next time. Bye.